During this next brief overview of the Fireline software dashboard, we're going to be taking a look at the Preventive Maintenance tab. This particular tab is a very powerful tab, and as with all of the individual tabs on the dashboard, this is a summary, if you will, a roll-up from all of the individual customer history screens. In this case, we're going to be specifically looking at some unique areas on the preventative maintenance. So for example, if we pull up this particular screen and we're looking specifically for preventative maintenances that are coming due within a certain period of time, let's say between the beginning of February and the end of February, we're able to quickly pull up a list based on that criteria of only those preventative maintenance calls that are coming due. Now once we have this list, we can go ahead and print out our work orders, activate these particular PMs out to our scheduling and dispatch board, and we then will have everything automatically automated by just clicking a few different buttons on the screen here. Now we're also able to take a look at our projected billings. Now if you are one of those companies that actually have service contracts out there for customers that are billed annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly, you can actually automate your billing function within QuickBooks by allowing the system here to, again, identify those particular billings that are coming due within a specific period of time, pulling up the list of all of those billings that are coming due, and again, this is scraping through all of the customer service contracts to actually see who's coming due within these dates. It'll then bring those up to the screen and identify if those have already been billed and or if they need to be billed, and if in fact you want to select them to be billed, they will automatically create invoices for you right within the QuickBooks invoicing screen. The final tab that you'll see here, I should say a radial button, is the projected renewals. If you're working with service agreements that have an expiration date, you'll probably want to go ahead and notify those particular customers about their renewals. We can quickly identify those customers that are coming due by, again, identifying a start date and an end date, and then pulling up a list of all of the customers that are going to be expiring for their service contracts within that particular unique period of time. You'll also notice there are various columns set up here, and we can actually tailor these columns, again, like most functions on the dashboard, uniquely to show those particular pieces of information that you want to see. So again, this gives us the ability to pull up that information very quickly, and then from here we can actually identify the statuses of each individual agreement, and then we can also pull additional information based on those column settings and or print a list if we would like to at this point.